What's going on, guys? Eric from Thewiscoguyz, and in today's video we're going to be looking at what we did to Big Chev, or pretty much like an update on Big Chev, what's wrong with Big Chev, what we need to fix on Big Chev, and we have a couple parts for Big Chev. So definitely stay tuned for the video. We're going to go through a bunch of stuff, but first I'd like to talk about the giveaway. So definitely down in the description below there is a giveaway going on, the Thewiscoguyz are putting on, and it's a gift card to Hawks Motorsports. So you can enter into the giveaway for a $200 gift card to Hawks Motorsports. So just go down the link below, you'll see all the prompts. There's a bunch of entries you can do. There's, you know, from subscribing to the channel, watching a video, what have you, following me on Instagram, following the Instagram, whatever. There's a bunch of stuff. Just go check it out. Get entered in for a $200 gift card to Hawks Motorsports. Definitely subscribe to the channel for more content too. So, all right, let's get to the video of what we got going on Big Chev. Alrighty guys, so there's a little bit of wind. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I'd rather do this in the daylight so you guys can see. So Big Chev has done a big transformation. We got the rockers on, we got the chrome kit on that we had set aside for it. We ended up doing it on the clock in the shop because Aaron was looking for something to do. So he's like, hey, let's put your truck on a work order. I'll just get it done, because he had nothing to do. So that's what he ended up doing. So like within like 2 hours he had this done. Of course we've already painted them. Aaron painted them, and they turned out great. So I'll show you what this thing's looking like now. So chrome kit is on, rockers are on, no more rust can be shown. So we did a little mix here, and this is where the cab corner area is. This is all painted to match. So I'll put some links down below too, but this is the Redneck Randy cab corners, plastic cab corners. Also, it is some Amazon rocker covers, and they're kind of dualed up here, as you see. So it covered all the rust. I mean, we chipped out as much as we could, but covered all the rust. So let me show you on the inside here. So on the inside, they kind of come up. And what we did here is we put rivets in. And then there's rivets on the bottom as well too, every so often. So, I mean, that's about it there. So that's how they went on. He just drilled a couple holes, riveted it in, got it fitting good in the corners. Got it fitting good in the corners, they all clear, and fitting good around the cab corner too as well. So that's all done. Turned out great. I think it looks amazing. I mean, yeah, the passenger side is about the same way, and this truck looks freaking clean with that chrome kit on there. It's definitely grandpa spec. So that's what we ended up doing there. I wish I would have did a video on it, but like I said, we were kind of crunched for time, and yeah, that's how they turned out. As you see, though, the frame looks a little rough. It's a little surface rust, I guess, but we're gonna address that too. We're gonna address that. We're gonna do like paint over rust stuff, or POR 15. So I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the POR 15, get this looking less crusty, and should look good. So we also did the headlights too, and we did a bug shield. We did the vent visor, or the moon visor there with the lights in them. We did all that, but the big issue is the bug shield. I put a new bug shield on, and it's already cracked. Let someone borrow the truck, they cracked it, they're supposed to pay me back. But that's not a big issue. The big issue is this bug shield breaks the headlight. And I'll show you. So we're gonna open the hood. So I don't know what the hell's going on here, if it just the clearances are off. I mean, the hood shuts good, but like you slam the hood and it breaks the freaking headlight. Like, you can look there, I've already glued it once, so that's broke. Like, so this bug shield comes down, and you just close your hood, and it just breaks the headlight. So I got a new set of headlights, second pair. Not happy. eBay headlights not working. So I bought a pair from O'Reilly's. Hopefully that works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these headlights out. I'm gonna save that one because I know that one's good, but I can't adjust it. That one you can't adjust up or down. It just doesn't do it. This one did adjust up and down, but it was busted by the yeah, see, like it'd sit up like that high and then it just come down and bust it. So we're gonna take the bug shield off. Had enough of it. It does look good. I like the way it looks, but so we're gonna change the headlights out, get the bug shield off, and then after that we're going to put some new lenses in. I got new lenses for these, new gaskets as well, so we're gonna put those on, and I'll show you that as we're doing it, but it's gonna be pretty sick. I think it's gonna look really good. So let's get at the truck inside, let's get started on some of this stuff, and then kind of go from there. Like I said, I really do like the bug shield, but it's gonna break your headlights when you shut your hood. I don't think you should have it. Alrighty, so that's gone. Alrighty, so we got new headlights here from O'Reilly's. Thewiscoguyz. I think they're okay brand. Nothing like factory. I don't even know if they make these yet from GM, but get these changed out. I'll get the other side. Alright, headlights are in. Get the cellophane off of it. Alright, both headlights are in. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to shut the hood and see what happens here. Just take these little nubs off. Just need to get some adhesive remover for that. Perfect, so all the little nubs are off. It still looks good, but I did like it with that bug shield on there. You could barely tell it was on there, but yeah. So I'm gonna have to aim these, but I'll do that later. We're gonna move on to probably the moon visor lights. Alrighty, so in these packages I have new lenses for the moon visors, and we actually did clear. We're going to try to match up, you know, the clearness of the front end, but there's still going to be orange bulbs in there. Well, we put orange bulbs in there. They're still going to be orange, or lighted orange. So we have the new lenses here, and then we have new gaskets as well. So I'm going to take all those old ones out real quick, and then we'll put the new ones on. These ones are so crusty and nasty. Surprised they even put them in, but so it is what it is there. Alright, I got the three of them out. We're just gonna work on the one side for now. Got these off of eBay from a guy that makes them. He said he's the best quality. Should be for $74 for these little lenses. Came with lenses and screws, and you have to buy the gaskets separate for $23. Yeah, but it's gonna be the look we want, and it's gonna light up, and it's not gonna leak. So at this point, I'll pay it because no one else makes it. All right, so I got the one on. I think it fits pretty good. I don't know. Should be good, but looks good to me. That's gonna be nice. I like that look. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of them. I mean, you just pretty much push it on there, screw it on. I would recommend using a little heat on the lens just to get it where you want and kind of go from there. So, alrighty, got about half of them done. I've been actually heating up the lenses with a heat gun, but I'm getting on. It looks good. Just get these two done and light them up. There we go, that's it. Alrighty, so we're back on the whatever thing here. Looking good. I like it. I like the overall look. Like a little bit of orange right there. Maybe I'll get some clear markers, but those are working for right now. But those look good. Let's turn them on and see what they do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks a little bit more modern, I guess. You know, so yeah, that looks good. So yeah, that's about it there. Okay, so headlights are in, bug shield's off. Hopefully I'm not gonna break my headlights anymore. There's just not enough gap in between the hood and the headlamp. So I'm not gonna put one back on. If Aeroskin is watching this, or if not Aeroskin, AVS is watching this, make an Aeroskin for the HD hoods and I'll buy it. Crap, I'll buy 2 sets just in case, but yeah. I wish they made an Aeroskin. That'd actually be pretty cool. They don't make them from the HD hoods. They just make them for the regular hoods. And they like come up to like right here, which would probably look pretty goofy on an HD hood. But I think that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to aim these headlights, which I've already shown in past video. I'll link that in the corner here. But yeah, definitely get entered into the giveaway. Don't sleep on the giveaway. Get entered in. Win $200 to Hawks Motorsports. Even you Chevy guys. I know some of you guys have Corvettes. You have Chevy Silverados, Corvettes, whatever, GTOs, whatever. Get entered in. $200. Chance to win. Gift card right to Hawks Motorsports. Links in the description below. So definitely get entered in. $200. Come on guys. $200. Get entered in. And yeah. So guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, and you guys have a good day or night, and good luck. Whoever's entering the giveaway, good luck. So thanks guys, bye.